My name's Dan Efegan. I've been working at Aardman for the last 17 years as their creative director and exec creative director around innovation and gaming. Recently, having left Aardman, come to join the Media Cymru Innovators in Residence program, and for the last 2 days have been sharing insights around the R&D that Aardman's been doing in their studio.
The story goes a little bit like this.
So we had this full-time team of animators who were basically just hanging out in the production and finding little moments. As you can imagine, Aardman's always done R&D over the last 50 years without kind of changing and morphing and doing stuff.
I'm Joshua Baldwin. I'm one of the project creative directors at the Chinese Room, and I'm here today to talk with Dan about some of my experiences doing creative direction across various different fields. Dan asked a lot of really good questions. How do you take a story, how do you take emotions, and how do you translate that into mechanics, into music, and into all of the sort of more practical day-by-day things that you do when you make a game?
My name's Alicia, and I'm a young creative in Cardiff, and I like to produce community events. So the thing that really attracted me to this specific event is storytelling. I think that changes something from a bit of fun to something that really influences people's lives is their ability to tell their story. And so that's what I was really interested in, as well as me being a massive video game nerd.
It's been fantastic to see the Aardman projects.
All of the talks have been excellent.
It wasn't too academic or technical. It was very creative.
And it's just to see on that and probably see coming above the odds and a bit
Networks like Media Cymru are vital for us to be able to bounce off each other, share ideas, be inspired. I'm here talking to people about inspiring projects, but actually it's all the people and the conversations we have which really become equally as inspiring for me.